Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So today is the 30th video of our playlist of continuing 45 days of SQL Leetcode challenge, and we have completed a month. I hope so you have reached till date. We have completed 30 questions. In case if you have missed any, I'll provide you the link in the description box. You can check it out from there, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel so that you never miss any update from this series. And I'll request you all to complete the whole series, go throughout the whole series and learn and enhance the problem solving skills you have for problem solving on SQL challenge. Okay, so for our today's video we are going to take a new question. So if you have any doubt in any of the question, you can just comment down, and I'll help you reach out through there, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel too over here. So let's start. So our today's question is going to be 1965. Okay, so we are going to solve this question today. It is also of easy level, just a few more of easy level, two, three questions more, and we'll be done with this, and we'll be moving to medium and hard level questions to over from further here. So I want you to first understand all the basics and fundamental concepts of SQL and work upon all the fundamental concepts, and then move towards some advanced topics. Okay, so we are going to use some advanced topics such as union and joins, subqueries, and all. So make sure you are consistent throughout the whole series and practice along with me. So our today's question is 1965, that is employees with missing information. So first of all, what does the question say over here? We have a table which is named as employees over here. It has specific column names such as employee ID and name, whose data type is int and varchar over here. Now here the employee ID is nothing but a column with unique values for this table. Okay. So now here in each row it indicates the name of the employee which is present along with the ID and name over here. Now, second, we have a table which is named as salaries. Okay, into which we have again an employee ID and salary, both of data type int over here. Here also the employee ID contains unique values, and each row over here indicates the salary of each and every employee along with their IDs over here. So what we have to do is we have to write a solution to report the IDs of all the employees with missing information. Okay. So suppose if the employee name is missing somewhere, or the employee salary is missing somewhere. So we have to mention the employees which are not having the appropriate information for that. And we have to result the table in ascending order. Okay, so let's have a look at the input and output over here. Talking about the input, we have an employees table which has employee ID 245 and these names. And also we have the salaries table with this employee ID and salary. Okay, so here what is our employee ID as the output is the employee ID number 1. Okay, the employee ID number 1 has salary but does not have any name over here, correct? And the employee ID 2 over here is having a name but is not having the information of the salary present over here. Talking about ID number 4 and 5, both are having name as well as salaries for the same. Okay, so here the explanation is also given as such only, that 1, 2, 4, and 5 are working in this company, and the name of employee 1 is missing over here from our employees table. Okay, and the salary of employee number 2 is missing from the salaries table. So we just have to get the information whose information is missing from the table. So how do we do that? Okay, so first of all, just think upon like what we can use an approach for, and let me know your answers in the comment section below, and I'll see that what approach you are looking for and what approach needs to be updated according to this question. Okay, so let me know your answers in the comment section. So what we are going to use is nothing but subqueries over here and also the union operator. Okay, so let's just have a look like what are we going to do over here. So I'll just mention that we are going to use union over here. Okay, so let's start with a solution. Now we will write a select query. Okay, and in this what we are going to take, first of all we are going to take the employee ID that is present over here. Okay, we are going to first of all take this employee ID. Okay, now from first of all we'll take from the employees table. Okay, as we have two tables over here, you need to make sure that you don't mess up with this. Now what does this query do over here? It is selecting the employee ID from this. Okay, but we have to put a condition. Okay, we have to put a condition that where this employee ID that I am getting from the table, that is the employees table, is not present in salaries table. Okay, so I'll be taking this from select the employee ID from the salaries table. Okay, so what I done over here is I am taking that ID that is present in the employees table but is not present in the salary table. Okay, according to that I'll be getting the information of this first query. Okay, same I have to do for salaries table. Okay, so I have to check that is this salary ID that is present over here, is this ID present over here in the employee table. Okay, so I have to write again a select statement over here. Okay, I have to select the employee ID over here, and I have to select this from which table now? I have to select this from the salaries table. First we selected from the employees table. Now we are going to apply just a filter clause where we are going to take this employee ID again over here, and we have to check that this ID is not present in our employees table. Okay, so yeah, we have to mention that over here. Is my spelling correct over here? Actually, I get a bit confused while writing this employees. Yeah, so I have written these two queries. Okay, so the first query I have selected the employee ID from employees. In the second query, I have selected the employee's ID from the salaries. And first, I am checking that is my employee ID that is present over here in employees table, such as we can take an example that is ID 2. Is that ID2 present in the salaries table? No, it is not present. So it is going to return me that. And next I'll be checking that is this salary ID that is my employee ID that is present in the salary table present over here in the employees table. So I'm going to return this. So I have written two queries over here, but I want the result into one single table only. So what I'll do is I'll just write a union operator in between them. Okay, now what does this union operator do? This union operator combines the result of the two select statements that is present over here, and it returns a set of employee IDs that are either present in the employees table but not in the salary table, or present in the salary table but not present in the employee table. Okay, so this union actually removes the duplicate records and ensures that each employee ID in the final result is always unique. We'll just run the code and check that our query is properly working for the test cases that has been present over here. Okay, so we are getting a wrong answer over here. Our answer should be 1 and 2, but we are getting 2 and 1. So what is the mistake that we have made over here? Okay, so anyone can just go through the question and just figure it out that what we are lacking over here. So here what we had to do is nothing but we had to return the result table into an ascending order. Okay, so we didn't write an order by into our query, due to which we didn't get the expected output over here. What are we going to order by? Nothing but the employee ID as mentioned over here. Okay, because we have just mismatched the order, but our output was almost appropriate. So we'll just run and we'll just properly go through all the question again. Yeah, so our test case has been accepted and we had this condition also satisfied and this condition also satisfied over here. And our test case has been accepted over here. by getting the output as 1 and 2 as expected over here. So we'll just submit our code and check whether all the hidden test cases are also evaluated accordingly over here. Okay, so our test cases has been submitted and our query is working properly for the description that has been provided. I hope so you have understood this query, and if you have any doubt you can let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you are tuning with the series and practicing it along with me, and make sure you are trying it by yourself too. Don't just copy paste the answer and the query. That won't help you solving the problems ahead. Okay, so make sure you have subscribed to my channel, hit the like button if you like the video. Please share it with all your friends and colleagues too, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.